Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do a combination stitch pattern that will end up having a double crochet and a treble crochet. So to start out, you just want to make any foundation that you want. For this tutorial, I'm just going to do a quick 20 chains. And this type of alternative rows really gives your work some great flair and pizzazz and texture. So if you're making a blanket, this would definitely give it a more textured look. So now that we have our 20 chains, we want to chain one more. And in the second chain from the hook right there, we want to do a double crochet. So insert your hook, yarn over 1, 2. And we want to do this all the way to the end of the row of just doing double crochets. And if you need any help with how to do a double crochet or a treble crochet, I have those links down in the description below. So on the next row, we will be doing treble crochets, and I will just be tucking my tail in of the work. So I'll give it a nice little tug. Turn your work, chain 2, 1, 2, and then you want to kind of just pull the tail back, and as you yarn over and insert your hook, you just want to make sure the tail is on top of your hook's work, and then pull through 1, 2, 3, yarn over, insert your hook, make sure that tail's just on top. And it'll end up just kind of tucking in the tail, makes it a little bit easier so you don't have to weave it in later. 1, 2, 3. All right, and we will do a treble crochet all the way to the end of the row. So here we are at the end. One more treble crochet. There we go. And now you can kind of see how it's coming along. So you want to do one row of double crochet, one row of treble crochets. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do another row of double crochets and another row of treble crochets to show what type of texture this can give your project. And we're going to activate supersonic crochet speed. Here we are at the end. And that's how you end up getting that texture. So it's one row of double crochet, one row of treble crochets, and then just stack it up as you go. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and I hope you have a happy crochet day with your crafting.